As the technology in our cars continues to change, it can create new challenges for first responders when it comes to conducting faster and safer rescue missions. Today, local firefighters got to take part in a unique hands-on program. We've got your back with why trainings like these are essential for helping them keep you safe. With a snap and a crunch, Metro firefighters cut their way through these cars. It was part of a training exercise held at Caliber Collision by the National Auto Body Council to keep first responders up to date on extracting injured car owners from newer vehicles.
It started with the NABC, the National Auto Body Council, seeing that there was a need for our first responders to get in there with these newer model vehicles and learn how to take them apart faster, safer.
And those are the key words, faster and safer. Technology in cars has changed to make them safer, but it's thrown up a whole different set of challenges.
Some of the challenges, the different ways that they're making cars these days makes different purchase points and different cut locations kind of a challenge sometimes. That's what this training is doing for us today, is allowing us to refamiliarize ourselves with those points and those frame construction challenges.
And it's the reason cutting metal, popping windows, and lifting up dashes on newer cars is important. Each car is different and has to be approached individually.
It's newer cars that we do not get to play with as a general rule. So they're learning the different sounds that the metal makes as it separates and learning those cues for when they're through.
There's a tremendous difference in the newer cars with high tensile strength in some of the rails, some of the newer technology to help victims inside the car, but it creates us challenges because some of the metal is either a higher tensile strength or it's more difficult to cut because the panel metal is thinner.
So the pounding and tearing continues as each car is torn apart bit by bit. But it's all for a good cause, as each lesson learned here can be used in the real world. About 30 first responders took part in this training, including some from Bethany, the Village, and weather didn't stop the